Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best non-stick pans, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Sensarte Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan. Discover the joy of cooking with the Sensarte Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan Skillet Model Omelette Pan 9.5-inch. This elegant cookware transforms everyday meals into culinary masterpieces. Crafted with eco-friendly ceramic, this frying pan ensures that your family enjoys healthy, non-toxic dishes without the worry of harmful chemicals. Its induction-compatible design allows for versatile cooking on various stovetops, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen. Picture yourself effortlessly preparing fluffy omelets or sautéing vibrant vegetables. The possibilities are endless. The heat-resistant handle provides a secure grip, enhancing your cooking experience. This frying pan not only elevates your cooking skills but also brings a sense of pride every time you serve your loved ones. Elevate your culinary journey and make delicious memories that last a lifetime with this exceptional cooking companion. Number 2. T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. Transform your culinary adventures with the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. This exceptional two-piece collection, featuring pans of 10 inches and 12 inches, elevates your cooking experience. The sleek design and vibrant gray finish add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Imagine effortlessly preparing perfect meals with the superior non-stick surface, allowing for easy food release and quick cleanup. Both pans are oven and broiler safe at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility for various cooking techniques. The thoughtful construction ensures durability, making these frying pans a reliable companion in your kitchen for years to come. Appreciate the convenience of dishwasher-safe materials, saving precious time after meals. Experience cooking like never before with this phenomenal cookware set that meets your needs and sparks your passion for gastronomy. Indulge in the joy of cooking with the T-fal fry pans today. Number 3. Tramontina Professional Non-Stick Frying Pan. Experience culinary excellence with the Tramontina Professional Non-Stick Frying Pan Model 10-inch Skillet. This beautifully crafted frying pan turns cooking into a joyful ritual, allowing you to create mouth-watering meals effortlessly. Its heavy-gauge aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution, so every dish cooks perfectly and evenly. Imagine preparing a delightful breakfast or a savory dinner while enjoying the ease of non-stick technology. The eye-catching red handle not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides a comfortable grip as you cook. Safe for both the dishwasher and the oven, this skillet simplifies post-meal cleanup, giving you more time to savor your creations with family and friends. Transform your kitchen adventures into cherished memories with this reliable frying pan, designed for every cooking enthusiast who values quality and joy. Number 4. All-Clad H1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. Unlock your culinary potential with the All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. This exquisite two-piece collection, featuring pans of 8 inches and 10 inches, is designed to inspire your daily cooking routine. Picture yourself effortlessly creating mouth-watering dishes, with the non-stick surface ensuring food glides smoothly while making cleanup a breeze. The elegant black finish adds a touch of modernity to your kitchen, enhancing its style and functionality. Designed for versatility, these pans are safe for both induction cooking and oven use up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The durability of this premium cookware means it is built to last, becoming a reliable partner in all your culinary endeavors. Imagine the joy of cooking meals that delight your family and friends, transforming every dish into a masterpiece with the All-Clad fry pans. Elevate your kitchen experience today. Number 5. Sensarte Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan. Elevate your cooking experience with the Sensarte Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan Model Omelette Pan with Lid. This exquisite frying pan invites you into a world of culinary creativity, allowing you to effortlessly whip up delicious meals for every occasion. Imagine waking up to the enticing aroma of freshly cooked omelets or sautéed vegetables, made with a pan that prioritizes your health. Its non-toxic design ensures peace of mind for you and your family, while the sleek ceramic surface makes cooking a pleasure. The convenient lid keeps your dishes warm and flavorful, enhancing every bite. The heat-resistant handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, empowering you to master new recipes with confidence. Transform everyday cooking into a delightful journey and create lasting memories around the table with this essential kitchen companion, tailored for the modern chef. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.